AutoDS versus Minea, which is better? Links to both platforms are in the description below. Let's get straight into the comparison. AutoDS is a robust all-in-one dropshipping automation tool that streamlines every part of your dropshipping process. It covers everything from product research and importing to price and stock monitoring and automatic order fulfillment. AutoDS supports multiple e-commerce platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Wix, making it versatile for dropshippers managing different stores. It's particularly known for its advanced automation features, such as price optimization, automated customer service, and inventory management, which help you save time and scale your business effectively. Minea, on the other hand, is primarily a product research tool that helps you find winning products by analyzing ad data across multiple platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Minea focuses on giving you detailed insights into what products are trending in the market by analyzing competitor ads, influencer campaigns, and customer engagement metrics. While it doesn't offer full automation like AutoDS, Minea excels in helping you make data-driven decisions about which products to add to your store, which can significantly boost your chances of success. So, who are these platforms for? AutoDS is ideal for dropshippers who want to automate their entire business process. If you're managing multiple stores and looking to scale quickly, AutoDS provides the tools you need to automate product sourcing, order fulfillment, and even customer service. It's perfect for those who want to reduce manual tasks and focus on growing their business efficiently. Minea, on the other hand, is best for dropshippers who prioritize finding winning products and staying ahead of market trends. If your primary focus is on product discovery and you want to use detailed ad and market data to choose the best products for your store, Minea is an excellent tool. It's especially useful for those who rely heavily on social media platforms for product promotion and want to track what's working in real time. In terms of pricing, AutoDS charges based on the number of orders you process and the level of automation you need, making it scalable as your business grows. Minea typically offers subscription plans based on the level of access you want to add data and product research tools, making it cost-effective for those focused on market analysis. Final verdict: if you're looking for a comprehensive automation tool that can handle every aspect of your dropshipping business, AutoDS is the better choice. However, if your main priority is discovering winning products through in-depth ad and market analysis, Minea is the platform to go with. That's the comparison. Check the links in the description to explore each platform further and choose the one that fits your business needs best. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert insights.